Okay, now you have your animation created and it's moving from point A to point B. And now the next step that I wanted to show you here is how to create an animation test. When you're testing animation, you don't need to render a version of your textures, your lights, shadows, and reflections and things like that. You're focusing on the animation only. The good way that you can do is make an animation preview or an animation test. In Maya, it's called a Playblast. So let's go to Windows, Playblast, and let's open the option box there. As I said before, I always recommend to reset, so edit, reset. Okay. In my case, since we already set up the time slider to 48, it's going to render from 1 to 48. So I want to change it to QuickTime, and it's only because I sometimes have problems with AVIs. So I'm going to save it as a QuickTime movie, and what's going to happen next is that it's going to give you a few like a little preview over here on the viewport, and then it's going to open QuickTime and open an animation playing as if it was playing from the viewport but on real time. I like to do either JPEG or maybe MPEG video. So go Playblast, and what it will do is to then open a little window, a little QuickTime movie, and it will show you. I can't see it here because of the video capture software running, but you will see the video of your animation running, and then from there you just go File, Save As, and then save it for future use. Okay, this is a good way to show animation on real time. Just using what you see on the viewport is a very quick, fast way to do real time. Remember that when you run hit the play button here, it does not give you a real time on the animation because the software is running and it might slow it down. Maybe something else is running on the background on your computer, or so that way it does not show exactly real time. When you render, you have options to remove labels and things like that. That comes often. So go on the show menu, deactivate the HUD, and then for if you want to deactivate the little deformer there that you see on the sphere, go show deformers. Okay. And that way you only see the sphere and bouncing on the floor. Okay, so I hope this helps, and I look forward to seeing you apply these concepts.